Hello, dear students. Welcome to our online school. Let's start our English lesson. Today our topic is weather. Let's start. Today we will revise some words from the last lesson and learn some new words.
Listen and watch.
Oh dear, it's raining. What can we do?
I know. Listen. I am the sun. I'm yellow. People see me and they are happy.
I am a cloud. I'm grey. People see me and they are sad.
I am the wind. You can't see me. Children can fly their kites when I'm there.
I am the snow. I'm white. Children see me and they smile. They can play in the snow.
I am the rain. I am the rain. I am the rain. I am wet.
Well done, robot!
Now let's do an exercise.
Match.
Let's look at the pictures. Picture number 1. Picture number 2. Picture number 3. Picture number 4. And picture number 5. Now let's listen and match.
I am the sun.
Sun. Can you see a picture of a sun? Well done. Next.
I am the snow.
Snow. Great.
I am the rain.
Fantastic.
I am the wind.
Wind. Great. And the last one?
I am a cloud.
Cloud. Well done. Now, next exercise.
Listen and watch.
What's the weather like here? Yes, Lucy?
It's sunny.
Yes, Lucy. Well done. What's the weather like here? Yes, Alex?
It's cloudy.
Yes, well done, Alex. What's the weather like here? Yes, Kim?
It's rainy.
Yes, Kim, that's right. What's the weather like here? Yes, Sam?
It's windy.
That's right, Sam. Well done. And what's the weather like here today? Yes, children?
It's sunny today.
Yes, it's a beautiful sunny day today. Let's have our lesson in the playground.
Hooray!
And now another exercise.
Listen and match.
Number 1.
What's the weather like today?
It's windy.
Can you see a picture of a windy day? Well done. Next.
What's the weather like today?
It's rainy.
Rainy. Can you find a picture of a rainy day? Great. Next.
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny.
Sunny. Can you see a picture of a sun? Fantastic. And the last one.
What's the weather like today?
It's cloudy.
Cloudy. Well done. Let's do one more exercise.
Listen and choose.
Number 1.
It's a cloudy day today.
Let's see. Is it a picture of a cloudy day? Yes? No. It's a picture of a sunny day. Number 2.
It's a windy day today.
Let's see. Windy day? Yes. Well done. Number 3.
It's a rainy day today.
Is it a picture of a rainy day? Exactly. And the last one.
It's a sunny day today.
Look, is it a picture of a sunny day? Yes? No, it's a picture of a cloudy day. Well done. Next exercise.
Complete.
Number 1. Look at the picture. What is the best word to complete? Cloudy. Well done. It's cloudy. Next one. Number 2. Rainy? No. It's snowy. Well done. Next. Look at the picture. Windy. Well done. It's windy. Next. Rainy. Great. And the last one. Sunny. Fantastic. Let's listen and complete the sentences.
Is it cloudy today?
Is it cloudy? No, it isn't. It's sunny. Well done. Next.
Is it rainy today?
Is it rainy? No, it's windy. Next.
Is it sunny today?
Look at the picture. Is it sunny? No, it isn't. It's rainy. Great. And the last one.
Is it windy today?
Is it windy on the picture? No, it isn't. It's cloudy. Good job. And to finish our lesson, let's watch the video.
Oh no! Look at the weather. It's raining. I want to go to the beach today.
What's the weather like this afternoon?
Look at it. Rain, rain, rain.
Shh! Listen. Here's the weather.
Good morning. Here is the weather for today. This morning it's rainy and wet in the south.
Huh? We can see that.
Shh! Listen.
In the east it's very windy today. In the north it's cold and cloudy. And in the west it's sunny and hot.
Huh? Sunny and hot in the west? They can go to the beach in the west.
Shh! Listen.
The rain in the south stops at lunchtime. The weather is sunny and hot all afternoon.
Hooray! Sunny and hot all afternoon. We can go to the beach. Yes!
Right. I'm ready. Let's go.
This is the end of our lesson. Thank you. Goodbye.